from? Where are you from?
Are you guys looking for someone or phone?
How you doing, gentlemen? You guys start media for us?
Oh shit, my friend. The mall is miles away, my friend.
I'm sorry?
The shopping mall is miles away from here.
Yeah, you know that.
Or I don't understand. You are mall police. Why are you on the streets, my friend?
No, we're not mall police. We're Riverside County Sheriff's Deputy.
Oh shit. What is
Security,
you are
right?
police?
Security?
What the
Security?
police do here?
No, not security.
What is police here, my friend?
Hey, so you know, you guys went in your
Security, right?
No.
Security. Oh,
No.
security too?
Nope, no. Law enforcement.
Security? Riverside
Security
Sheriff's
enforcement?
Department.
Gentlemen, we're just here to talk to you guys about the business. I don't know if you guys have a complaint. The business, we don't represent the business. Okay, we're just here to keep the peace. And you guys have your constitutional right to if you're part of that.
You are talking about, my friend. I do not understand this language. This is too much
I'm
for
speak-
me. You can only say simple words.
I
Very plain
I'm
English,
speaking
please, my
English,
friend.
so
Try again.
If you guys,
Or
guys know,
shit,
if you
we
guys
are
like to
going
have
to
a
be
dialogue
here
with
all
the
day
company,
with this
they're
guy.
open.
You are
guys can go
police
onto their
officer.
website.
Tell
You
me
guys
what
wanna
is your duty
contact
here
your-
today, my sir.
Their legal department, you guys can do so.
Chanduli? Chandula.
I don't understand what that means.
Or
so
shit,
you
you're
guys know?
not informed, my friend.
The company owns the parking lot, so they advised us that they wanted you guys to know that you guys are.
What is this
within your right
advisement, my
outside of the
friend? We
property.
do not go in parking lot.
If you guys stay off the property, you guys are within your right.
Or
If guys
shit,
go
you
on
are
the
trying
property,
to
they're gonna
trespass me, my friend.
prosecute you for trespassing.
You are trying to
Okay.
trespass me. Get it the fuck out of here, my friend. I do not want to hear your bullshit. Fuck
not
are you,
telling
my
you.
friend? You are a piece of shit, motherfucker. You wear uniform or duty colors. This is shit color. This is not security. This is security.
You're recording me.
Everybody wear blue black uniform.
You're recording me. It's so
Yeah, he has a recorder.
Ooh.
No, my friend, this is not right.
Well, so for your request your video. Well, for your request your video.
You are not right, my friend.
All day long today.
You are trying to
Alright,
warn
if
me
you
for
wanna request
trespass,
this
aren't
video,
you?
You can go down to the police station and try and request it.
So recording.
Okay.
All right.
Security, you're stupid
So-
security.
We're gonna walk away, okay? So you guys know you guys need to stay off the property,
Handuli.
Or shit.
okay?
What is this language you are
Guys, have a
talking
great
again,
day.
my friend? I do not understand this.
I'm hoping that.
Or
we
you're
can-
telling me that I am within rights or not within rights, my friend? Or shit, motherfucker. Or shit. Or other officer over here, my friend. That's more security guard. Or shit. Ready. I'm ready, my friend. Or shit, you are a police officer too?
What's that?
You are a police officer too, my friend.
Yes, I am.
The other man says he worked in mall for mall police. This is true.
What's that?
I do not understand why mall police would be patrolling streets, my friend.
Mall police?
This is what gentlemen tell me. He worked in mall. I do not understand this behavior.
Okay. Well, you have a good day, okay, guys?
Oh shit, what is your name, my friend?
I'm Sergeant Hermosillo.
Oh shit, Sergeant, you have badge.
What's that?
What is your badge, my friend?
My badge number is 3094.
Oh shit, this is your identifier, serial code or something, my friend.
Yes, I did.
Thank you very much, my friend.
All right, have a good day, guys.
Tell security guards to go back to the mall, please, my friend.
Security guards, which one are those?
Or shit, these motherfuckers that come with same uniform like you. Colors of duty
Those
color,
aren't
my friend.
security guards, they're deputy sheriff.
Or shit,
Have a good day,
they
okay?
identify themselves,
All
my
right, just
friend.
do me a favor, stay out of the street, guys.
They need to
Be safe,
identify
okay?
when approaching public,
All right.
my friend.
Have a good
Or
day.
shit. Or this is Riverside County Sheriff Department.
All right, guys, have a
Or
good day.
shit, look at this, my friend.
You stay on the street, motherfucker. On the street.
Or shit, mall police here today.
Motherfucker.